Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn Now, your learning partner. In this video we will learn unique key constraints. Let's start with the unique constraints. A unique constraint is used to ensure that data in a column or combination of columns is unique. This means that no two rows can have the same value in the specified columns. To add a unique constraint to a table in SQL, you use the unique keyword followed by the column names. For example, if we wanted to add a unique constraint to a users table for the email column, we would use the following SQL code. Alter table users add constraint unique_email unique email. But what happens if you need to add a unique constraint across multiple columns? In this case, you can use the same syntax, but specify multiple columns in parentheses separated by commas. For example, alter table orders add constraint unique_order_ID_customer_ID unique order_ID customer_ID. This ensures that no two orders can have the same order ID and customer ID. Let's see the example. If we set column ID as unique and then try to insert new record with the same existing value that exists in ID column, it will throw an error. Likewise, if try to update in value with already existing value in ID column, it will throw an error. In this way you can ensure that your data is accurate. That's it for our video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.